Hi everyone, welcome back to Modentum. If you're preparing for the CELPIP exam, today's video is going to help you shine in the speaking test. I'll share powerful tips, tricks, and sample strategies for all 8 tasks, so you can speak with confidence and get a higher score. Stay till the end because I'll also give you some bonus hacks that most test takers don't know. Section 1. Overview of the speaking test. First, let's quickly look at the structure. The CELPIP speaking test has 8 tasks. 1. Giving advice. 2. Talking about a personal experience. 3. Describing a scene. 4. Making predictions. 5. Comparing and persuading. 6. Dealing with a difficult situation. 7. Expressing an opinion. 8. Describing an unusual situation. You'll have a 30 to 60 seconds preparation time and then 60 to 90 seconds to answer. For task 1 and 7 you have to speak for 90 seconds and for remaining tasks you will get 60 seconds to speak. The examiners are looking at clarity, vocabulary, grammar, and how relevant your answer is. Section 2. General tips and tricks. Now, some general strategies. Structure your answer. Use a simple 3-step format. Start with your main idea. Add 2 to 3 supporting points or examples. Finish with a short conclusion. Use transition words, like first of all, moreover, however, finally. This makes your answer sound organized. Time management. Don't finish too quickly or drag too long. Aim for 70 to 80 seconds. Don't aim for perfect grammar. Instead, aim for clear communication. It's better to speak naturally than to pause and correct yourself too much. Use simple but effective vocabulary. Instead of good, say beneficial or valuable. Instead of bad, say harmful or unnecessary. Section 3. Task-specific tips. Alright, let's go through some task-specific tricks. Task 1. Giving advice. Use phrases like, if I were you, I would, or the best option might be. Task 2. Personal experience. Tell a mini story in past tense. Last year, one time, I experienced. Task 3. Describe a scene. Pretend you're explaining it to a blind person. Talk about people, actions, and feelings. Task 4. Prediction. Use future tense. They will probably, or it looks like they're about to. Task 5. Compare and persuade. Mention both options but strongly support one with 2 to 3 reasons. Task 6. Difficult situation. Stay polite and problem solving. I completely understand, let's try to find a solution. Task 7. Opinion. Always give opinion plus 2 reasons plus example plus short conclusion. Task 8. Unusual situation. Be creative but clear. Use imagination and describe logically. Section 4. Bonus hacks. Here are some extra hacks to boost your score. Record yourself practicing with a timer. This trains you to stay within 90 seconds. Smile while speaking. It makes your tone sound confident and natural. Don't memorize. Instead, memorize phrases and templates, then adapt them to the question. Expand answers with examples. Examiners love when you connect ideas to real life. And that's it. These CELPIP speaking tips and tricks will help you structure your answers, stay confident, and score higher. Right finger if you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Modentum for more CELPIP strategies and practice videos. Also, drop a comment if you want me to make a video with sample answers for each of the 8 speaking tasks. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your CELPIP test.